In addition to a list or pre-built layout blocks, the Content Blocks Builder allows you to create custom blocks easily directly in the block editor. In fact, we've built all of the pre-built blocks in this plugin this way. We're going to create this simple responsive grid of features, but instead of using the pre-built grid block, we're going to build a custom grid block for it. First, let's create a new custom block post. Input the block title. Then input the content of our block just like writing a post. To simplify things, we will copy the demo content and use a premium feature called copy-paste style to build the content of our block. But you can easily create it in a couple of minutes with the free version. Please follow our instructions in the video tutorial for building it using the pre-built grid block. Now, let's add metadata to our block. You can choose a template lock value from the list of options. Let's use the default value. Input a block description. You can add custom CSS classes for it. Input a custom block icon. You can get it from the icon library or upload a custom one. There is a list of features that you can add to your block. You can learn more about those support features in another video tutorial. You also can learn more about those from the pre-built blocks. There is an option to show the variation picker for this block if it has some. You can learn more about creating custom variations in the video guide for it in the description. Let's see what we'll get now. Our new block has been added to the block inserter. Now we'll create a parent grid block for this block. The first step is to toggle on this setting to enable the parent block. Let's add metadata to the parent block. Choose a layout for it. You can select from stack, grid, carousel, or accordion. We choose the grid layout in this case. Input title and description. In some cases, you only need a fixed number of child blocks. There is also a setting for this purpose. Input a custom block icon. Our grid block is ready now. Let's use it to create our demo grid. To sum up, we can create our layout by using pre-built blocks or creating custom ones. The benefit of custom blocks is that all styles of item blocks can be added at design time. So it's easier for non-technical users to use it. Another benefit is that we can use the template lock feature to ensure the item block has a particular block template. It will help users don't mess up with inputting the wrong content.